Yeah. Yeah, it's a new client. Calls out the Raw Talent. I don't know. At first I thought he was going to be shooting a dirty movie, but apparently he paints stuff. Yeah, well, I guess, he wants to take things a different direction, so we got a director. See what I did there? Yeah. Alright. I'm finished shooting this and, wish we'll do lunch or something, alright? Alright, Denzel. Alright. See you soon. Alright. Where is he? Okay, well, we're supposed to be shooting, so I don't have time to waste. I mean, he cut me a nice check, but is he coming? Is he on the way? Okay, you're shaking your head. Do you actually speak, son? What's going on? I mean, I know you're the boom mic. You're supposed to pick up sound, not make them, but what's going on? Okay, relax. I'm rambling. Relax. That was rhetorical. Well, it should have been rhetorical because I can just call him on my phone and I'll find out where he is. You relax, okay? Hey! Mama! What's up, bro? Wanted to follow up with you, man, Content's been really good. Check your videos, since you hired me. So, how's it going? Pretty good, man. Just relax on this music, about to get into your check attendance. Yeah, things are looking good. Things are gonna get even better. I saw you. We edited the footage when you did the AKA custom chucks, and the time lapse looks great. All that's left is to shoot your intro. Yeah, on shooting day, I'm gonna be there. We're gonna shoot it. Well, you'll be here to shoot on the day we're supposed to shoot, and not listen to music and eating chicken tenders. That's what you're saying? All right, we'll be there and not here eating chicken tenders and listening to music. Oh! What's going on, good people? My name, of course, is the Raw Talent, and I want to thank y'all again for tuning into another episode. Now, for today's episode, we are doing another shoe custom. We're doing some Chuck Taylors, and we're adding with some flavor to represent the Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated. One of my beloved teachers from high school commissioned me to do these shoes in celebration of Founders Day of the Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated, and I'm going to put all the flavors, the pink, the green, the ivy leaf. I'm even hot gluing some pearls, which is a rare thing I do, but I add flavor in many ways. So it's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to do, her reaction to them and celebration, and show you some dope pictures of them. Oh, also, there's also a celebration because during the time of recording this, we just wrapped up the inauguration, and Madam Vice President Harris is a member of AKAs, and also went to DC HU. So, chucks and pearls all day. So really happy about that. I want to thank y'all again for tuning in. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Let's go. Okay, what? So why you have to wait in that daggone long? You could teleport. You know what? I work with too many good people for this, okay? I've directed music videos for MC Scratch and Sniff. I've shot the reality show for Tina Molina. Directed commercials for such products as Sacamac. That's pre-cooked mac and cheese in a plastic bag that you put in boiling water, and I already got the cheese and seasoning on it. It's amazing. It's amazing. Then I gotta deal with this weird business, time, and space crap. I don't need this. That was weird. All right, we're going to get right into it. So we're laying down the pink, and it's a mixture of Angela's Neon Tahitian Pink along with Angela's Flat White. So we mixed that pretty much 2-to-1 ratio to give us this pretty pink for AKAs. And then we're going to mix that at a 1-to-1 ratio with Angela's Too Soft and lay it all around both tongues of the shoes. As you can see, we're going around the letters that we sketched out. Nice even application for our colors. And then of course we're applying Too Soft to all colors we apply to the shoe and heat setting it with our blow dry for about 3 to 5 minutes so it's nice and soft when it dries. Next we're coloring in Divas, which of course is the name of her line when she crossed over to the AKAs, and we're coloring AKAs on the Ivy Leaf as well with our pretty pink, and then 1908, which was the year that the AKA was founded. And we did emblems on the inside of both chucks. All we did was take a nice box cutter and slowly cut off the thread of the chuck symbols on the inside, and then we sketched out our emblems, and then we're coloring our paint. And now we're applying Angela's yellow to all parts of the emblem. Next on our AKA, we're going to outline it with our pretty pink all around the letters. And then we're going to start applying some of our Angela's Flat Black. And what I'm doing is slowly bordering around the letters and images with a black outline with a detail brush or acrylic paint pen. And then that will actually minimize any errors that the black shouldn't go by just bordering everything first and then coloring the black solid around it. This is a trick I learned a while back that, you know, if you have any colors that, you know, just no fixing it if they mix accidentally, like a black going on the pink, slowly take your time with a detail brush or fine acrylic paint pen, border outline. That's where you have some type of kind of like a fence. So when you color it in, it won't bleed over, won't spread. You know exactly how to go about the flow, coloring it in. And applying this flat black is really good because it's really going to make our yellows, our pinks, and as you'll see, our light greens pop against that black. And I was just really happy to do these shoes for my teacher. One, because she was one of my favorite teachers in high school, and also just in celebration of Founders Day for the sorority that she is a part of. Next, we're going to go ahead and grab our light green, and again, every color we apply is going to be mixed at a 1-to-1 ratio with Too Soft from Angela's, and we're going to apply it to the needed areas and heat set it with our air dryer for about 3 to 5 minutes. You can use a heat gun or a hair dryer. And of course, Cover Girl represents her name that she was given when she crossed into the Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated, and the number she was given was 12. So just to represent her, we're going to put those on both tongues in the front. And next, to make sure we pop that AKA really good, we're going to do green inside the pink border outline, and all is going to pop really nice against that black. Of course, our ivy leaf is going to get some of that green all around. And then our ivy leaf on our emblem on the inside of the chucks. And then on our other image, we're going to add the green around the yellow and pink as well. Next, of course, we did our pearls. Just took a hot glue gun. I grabbed some various sizes so it's more abstract, a little more flavor, and then we just do a dab of hot glue added pearl, and we did this on the front toe cap, on the tongue, and on the sides and back. Stop by my page to follow me. Be sure to also take a look at my highlights that say support small businesses. It is where I highlight and shout a lot of the entrepreneurs I know through personal and professional relationships, as well as family, and just shouting out their biz as I'm giving love to them as they're taking the journey to be an entrepreneur as well. Please be sure to check out both of them. There's various products and services for food, clothing, holistic health and beauty, and I think you're really going to find something you like. So yeah, please be sure to check them out, and thank you so much again. Now let's take a look at how these shoes turned out. All right, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, here you go.
Ooh. Oh, they are so cute, Niamu.
Thank you.
Oh, yes.
I had a lot of fun making them with all the details.
Oh, my God. They're so cute. Okay, yes. Yes.
I get all the fine details.
Uh-huh.
Yay.
Yes. Thank you so much. Oh, these are nice. They're going to be jealous of me. Yes, they're going to be jealous
Stepping
of
out
me.
in pride on Founders Day.
Yes. Look, even though we, oh, yes. Divas, my city divas, my line name, cover girl, my line number 12.
Yep, repping all of it.
Yes, I cannot wait till tomorrow. Ooh. Yes,
Yep.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure. It was weird.